Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add handling fee for every order in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and then you see order summary, subtotal, delivery. So we are going to add handling fee. Now go to dashboard. So we are in Wix dashboard and we are in setting and then you see multiple option. And then you see shipping and delivery, so click on it. So we are in shipping and delivery section and then you see shipping region we have already, so click on edit. So we are going to add handling fee. Now open and then scroll down. Now you see add a handling fee to every order. Extra cost needed for shipping, for example special protective packaging or additional transport. So enable this option, so it's up to you. So we are going to add some price, $20, and then click on save and then you see you have saved. Now go to cart page and refresh the page and then you see order summary, subtotal 145. Before you see delivery charges $200, now you see $220. So our handling fee also added in delivery charges $220 total. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.